Are you looking for the best steel MIG welders? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best steel MIG welders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hobart 500559 Handler 140 MIG Welder. The Hobart 500559 Handler 140 MIG Welder 115V is a versatile welding machine that can weld 24 gauge up to 1/4 in mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. With a 5-position voltage control selector, it provides a stable arc at all welding thicknesses. It operates off 115V standard household current and has a wire feed speed range of 40 to 700 IPM. Additionally, it comes with everything you need to get started, including a MIG gun, work cable, power cord, regulator, contact tips, drive roll, flux cord wire, and material thickness gauge. What we like: versatile welding machine for welding various materials. Stable arc at all welding thicknesses for smooth and precise welding. Easy to use with a 5-position voltage control selector and wire feed speed range of 40 to 700 IPM. Number 2. YESWELDER 135 AMP MIG Welder. The YESWELDER 135 AMP MIG Welder is a versatile 3-in-1 welding machine that offers gasless MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding capabilities. With an output of up to 135 amps, it allows you to weld mild steel up to 5/32 inch in thickness, making it suitable for a variety of welding tasks. The automatic change of voltage and wire feeding speed by adjusting the amperage makes it simple to use, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. The welder also features automatic compensation for voltage fluctuation, as well as overcurrent and overload protection, ensuring safety during operation. Weighing just 13.5 pounds, this lightweight and portable welder is easy to take anywhere, making it a convenient choice for both professional welders and DIY enthusiasts. What we like: powerful, up to 135 amp output. Multi-process capabilities. Simple to use with automatic voltage and wire feeding speed adjustment. Number 3. ARCCAPTAIN 130A MIG Welder with Synergy. The ARCCAPTAIN 130A MIG Welder is a portable and compact 3-in-1 welding machine that offers flux core gasless MIG, lift TIG, and MMA welding modes. The machine features synergic control that automatically matches the recommended current and wire feeding speed based on the chosen diameter of the welding wire, making it easier for beginners or those learning to weld. With safety protection features built in, you can use the machine with confidence. The package includes a MIG torch, ground clamp, electronic holder, flux cord wire, conductive nozzles, brush, and hammer. What we like: portable and compact design. Synergic control for automatic current and wire feeding speed matching. 3-in-1 welding modes for versatility. Number 4. LOTOS MIG 225 Multi-Process Welder. The LOTOS MIG 225 Welder is a versatile 6-in-1 machine that allows you to tackle various welding tasks, including MIG, TIG, and stick welding. With an easy-to-use LED screen, you can set up your welder in just a few steps, making it user-friendly even for beginners. The synergistic MIG settings automatically adjust parameters for you, ensuring optimal results without the guesswork. Plus, it's ready for aluminum welding with an optional spool gun, which expands your capabilities for different projects. This welder is designed to meet diverse welding needs efficiently and effectively. What we like: multi-process welding capabilities. Easy setup with LED screen. Automatic parameter adjustments. Ready for aluminum welding. Number 5. Eastwood 250 AMP MIG Welder. The Eastwood welder is a versatile welding machine that can handle a wide range of welding tasks. With its state-of-the-art inverter technology, this welder provides precise and efficient welding performance. It is powered by either 120 or 240 volts, making it suitable for various power sources. The infinitely adjustable 50 to 250 amp welding range allows you to weld anything from 20 gauge steel to 1/2 inch thick plate. Whether you are working on small projects or tackling heavy-duty welding jobs, this welder has got you covered. Its compact and lightweight design, weighing only 46 pounds, makes it easy to transport and store. The Eastwood welder is a reliable and powerful tool for any welding enthusiast or professional. What we like: versatile, precise, compact.